move on moving day.
It's moving day. What are you interested in?
Where's my car seat?
Right.
It's moving day.
It's moving day.
Well, coughing, it's moving. Yeah.
All right, honey, come on. It's a moving day, so moving day means routines and checklists. So we are done at the farm for this visit. So let's get packed up. So moving day is full of routine and more routine, and that's the way you avoid mistakes. So welcome to Home on the Hitch. My name's Thomas. If this is your first time seeing us, then hello and welcome. Consider hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up. We are at a friend's farm in just west of Fort Worth. Been hanging out here for a little while, having a good time, just kind of really relaxing with them. And so we're gonna look at what moving day and a couple of driving days looks like. So stick around. Home on the Hitch. Let's go. Basically, the way we work it is the way a lot of people work it, and Melissa's going to take care of everything, if not most everything, inside the RV, and I'm going to concentrate on the things that are here outside, and then we'll kind of double check each other when we're finished and go from there. First thing I like to do is I usually prefer to travel with a little bit of water. So already last night I have put water in our freshwater tank here. So I got the water pump on. I'm going to disconnect and put up the freshwater hose, and then flush the black tank. And I typically at that point now, due to past incidences, don't really talk to too many people while I'm doing that. So try to do one task at a time, get that task done, and move on to the next so I don't forget anything. That's as silly as me when I unhook this and drain it. I walk around and open the door and hand it to Melissa, and she sticks it in the sink, and that's where it rides. But I don't lay it down and try to do that later. I just walk around here and do it now, because that's the way I do it every time. Trying to find a better option than just replacing this pin and this handle with another pin. This is the black tank handle. I've got the handle and the pin that broke off, but these things are just not super stout. I'm really trying to find a better way to do that. So we're gonna let that fill up. Basically, I drain the black tank, flush it out with the flush for a while, and then close it off, fill it up with as much water as I dare, and then drain it, and then fill it up again and drain it until I feel like I've got most of everything out. Because if you just use the black tank flush spray valve, it's not going to get the entire tank clean. And for you new guys out there and gals and experienced alike, make sure you go to our webpage, www.homeonthehitch.com. Look underneath the downloads tab. We got a lot of good downloads there. Namely, there is a beginner's guide to RV that I wrote, and it's got some great information that new RVers, I'm sure, will find interesting, and experienced RVers might as well. So just a little tidbit there. It's free to download. Well, hello there, little fella. How you doing? Hitching a ride? It's going to be a bumpy one. So now what I'm going to do is go in here and I will check in with Melissa, see where she's at. She's pretty much ready probably because she's already put the slides in on this side. And that lets me know she's pretty much packed up and ready to go. So I'm going to double check that, shut off the propane, and then we'll start worrying about getting hooked up. Wait. All right, so it's time to go. Fuel right quick.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll just move out of the way over here. So the one thing we try to do on travel days like this, when we're moving just from place to place and we don't really have a destination, is to stop and kind of see things, whether we stop at, you know, like now we're at a Buc-ee's and we'll take a little while and look at all the cool stuff in here. Get a couple of knickknacks, get something to eat. Well, we're not, it breaks up the drive time. We're not necessarily in a hurry to get anywhere because we got to drive all day today, drive tomorrow. Then that's what we try to do. So makes the day better. That's what you can do on drive days to make it not so monotonous. Leave a message for Cajun Bob. Leave a message for Cajun Bob. We done did down getting the mud bug crawdad. What did it say?
There's no answer.
Oh, calm back. Celebrities on the way. Don't call me. Between the hours of 3:55 and 4:55. I'm taking Mama for her walk. Want to put $1 on the...
In a quarter of a mile, continue straight.
Oh, thanks, boy George. You want to put $1 on? Oh. Country gold.
Oh my gosh, that hurts.
Some country gold for you.
I run out of spaces.
Yeah, but I gotta find somewhere to park. What's she doing? You going potty? Huh?
Yeah, right there.
You went potty already? Oh, what a big girl.
It's a little bit like fall.
It does, actually. Feel a little bit like fall. I kind of like it. Because I'm tired of sweat. So, yeah, we were just inside Louisiana at the rest stop, State Line. We picked out a Walmart for the night that's about an hour and a half away, 100 miles or so. And I think that is what we are gonna do. So, here they come.
Was that nice? I think that was a dump station they have over there.
It is, yeah. Yeah.
Supposed to get at the Louisiana state line. There's a dump station.
Yeah, at I-20. I'm really dreading to go through Shreveport on I-20.
Oh, all the
Either way,
horrible,
it's
bouncy.
probably the worst section of interstate in the entire country. And you should probably avoid it at all costs if you can, but unfortunately it's our direct route. We don't have any other option to go around it, but it is absolutely horrendous. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is where we have landed for the evening. That's going to be here at a Walmart in Monroe, Louisiana. And we're going to hang out here for the night and get an early start in the morning. Hopefully get a decent night's sleep. Sometimes, not always at the Walmart, but hopefully this one will be pretty quiet. They close at 11 o'clock, so hopefully traffic should be very minimal after that. And we're gonna try to get something to eat and go to bed. So see you on the flip side. All right, let's go. Let's go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Don't yank me out of these steps now. We're in a parking lot. Ooh, it is. Popular stay last night for a Walmart. Several trucks, hotshot truckers over there behind me. Several RVs. So there was a lot of people here last night, which can be comforting sometimes if you're at a Walmart. I'm usually up once or twice, just kind of looking out the windows and checking everything out. But yeah, as far as Walmart stays goes, this has been one of the better ones. So, all right. So if you do use a Walmart to stop at, make sure you go inside the store and spend a little money today. For me, that's going to be some DEF, because we're getting low.
Anyway, I'm gonna use the restroom.
Okay. So what we really should do is have a little fun. We'll give her a second to I'll do it.
You're not funny.
Honey made me do it.
It is not cute to pull the camper forward while your wife is sitting on the toilet.
Yeah. Rainy day. Rainy day.
In
Somewhere in Mississippi.
Rest stop.
Yeah, pretty much.
These are my favorite lunches, though.
Yeah, it makes lunch pretty easy to be able to pull over and just hop in that RV and
Or you get to chill out.
yeah, relax in your environment. Don't have to worry about anybody or anything. So it's good. That's another plus, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. So we didn't do an RV park or a Walmart last night. Where we ended up was a sports complex. One of these complexes that has like an indoor arena, outdoor arena, tracks, tennis courts, things like that. They also have a rather large area RV park, quote unquote, with like 150 spaces. It's basically like a concrete parking lot with a whole bunch of RV spaces. Full hookup, lighted, security. So don't forget to use this as an option when you're traveling on the road. Off in the distance you can see like the stadium, and that's the indoor auditorium, arena, basketball. Looks like they got something over there. So it's a really good choice to use where it's another resource on the road, and it's secure, and it was like 35 bucks a night, so not a bad option at all. So we are about ready to hook up, finish this journey home out. Maybe.
Hi.
You doing all right?
Yep, I'm about to bring it in.
All right. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, so that does it for that trip home. Safely made it back. So just remember, be careful out there. We'll see you next time, guys. Home on the Edge. All right, guys, thanks for joining us for this video. We really appreciate you being here.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and leave us a comment.
Absolutely. So till next time, guys, take care of each other, love each other.
And make every moment count.
That's right. We'll see you next time, guys.